The 2011 general election is Tuesday, November 8th. If you can't get to the polls on Election Day, you can still make your vote count by voting absentee. In-person absentee voting begins September 23rd at the Fairfax County Government Center. Check the county's website for dates and times. Beginning October 24th, you may also vote in-person absentee at one of the 7 governmental centers. The deadline to vote in-person absentee is Saturday, November 5th at 5 p.m. To vote absentee by mail, you can get an application via the web, by fax, by phone, by email, or at any county library or governmental center. To receive a ballot in time, your application must be received by Tuesday, November 1st. Your absentee ballot must be received at the Office of Elections by 7 p.m. on Election Day. There are eligibility requirements to vote absentee. To find out more, call 703-222-0776.